जे भाशेन आज ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नरान सांगला, people have to be alert and vigilant as it is a continuous process. मुझे staying alert and voicing out is a continuous process. So this is what we have told, we have requested, and we hope that the Honorable Governor is going to address and talk to the BJP government, address and talk to the Chief Minister of Goa to make sure that these kind of things are at least taken under control, and all these incidents that have happened, they should get justice. हे जावपा जाय, हुंय काय सगळे सांपडोवपा जाय, ह्यो केस सॉर्ट आउट जावपा जाय. केन्ना दाखोयटी म्हणटाय तें जायना आशिल्लें गोंयांत. हे शूट आउट बी म्हणटाय तें लोकांवाला शूट आउट म्हणटा मुवीचे चयल्ले आमी. आज हेचे मुवी काडपाची गरज जातलीच म्हाका. सो आय थिंक दिस इज हॅज टू स्टॉप. आज आमगे यूथ आहा, यूथ चोयता हे कितें जाता, एंड दे आर गेटिंग फेड अप एंड दे आर चेंजिंग देयर मायंड टू लीव गोवा एंड गो and study as well as be productive and become professionals elsewhere outside Goa and outside India. And the main reason is safety in our own state. So we have to make sure that the youth stays here, youth works here, youth becomes productive to our state. आणि हे करतलो जाल्यार सगळ्यांची सेफ्टी दिवपाची गरज आहा. युथाकूय सेफ्टी दिवपाक गरज आहा, युथागे माय पायकूय सेफ्टी दिवपाक गरज आहा. आणि हे करतलो जाल्यार पुलिसिंग and home ministry has to become stronger and have to do their job correctly.